Every time you do a money transfer, a unique tracking code is attached to it called MTCN. It is your money tracking control number, which can be found on your transfer history page and in your printed or emailed receipt. Once you have this magic number, tracking your transfer is very easy. Just go to the Western Union website and click Track a Transfer. It will prompt you to enter the 10-digit MTCN. Choose the receiver's country and the transferred amount. Follow the remaining simple prompts and confirm your identity. Once you've done all that, Western Union will provide you the exact status of the money transfer and confirm if it's ready for collection or if it's already been collected. You can also track a Western Union money transfer by phone or in person. That's it. We hope it helps you. This is brought to you by RemitBee, the best way to send money abroad from Canada.